All right, my friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a brand new plugin that we just finished and released. It is currently, at the time of shooting this video, in queue to be approved, or if we got to make more edits to it for WordPress.org. So this is going to be a completely free, no pro tier, no upgrade, gating, Windows, all that. It's going to be 100% free. And so what is it? It is working title. I hope we get approved for this. We have the slug, queued up for us already, but it looks like it'll be okay. So that's going to be Royal AI Firewall. And you guessed it. This is a layer that is going on the WordPress site that is going to allow you to see and somewhat manage what bots are accessing your site and just give you a little bit more control over what's going on. Okay, so here we are on the settings page. There's a setup wizard. It's just a quick 4-step setup wizard. I think probably the most important steps is it auto discovers if you're using Cloudflare, and in any security plugins, it tries to attempt to find those as well. Like you see here, here's Cloudflare. It found GuardPress and Royal MCP. So a benefit to Royal MCP users is that we are going to integrate probably quite deeply between the two. So the reason why we didn't just take this idea and say add it to Royal MCP is because Royal MCP does one thing, and we want to stick with that and keep it there and just do one thing really well, which is MCP connections. We don't want to like broaden it into all these other things. Oh, we could do AI content creation. We could do firewall settings. We could do like a million different things. We could tie it into a SaaS on the back end and all these upsells and cross sells and all this madness. I want it to be a lightweight zip and just really focus on the one thing with Royal MCP. Same thing with this. Royal AI Firewall will be hyper focused on just what bots are hitting the website, and then are we allowing those, and making sure that we have a wide net of integration and usability with all the security and caching tools. We already ran into, just creating this and testing it, a ton of issues with our security plugins and caching plugins. So we've already worked through quite a bit of that. So right here, it takes you to, you can go straight to Cloudflare, or you can go and just continue on to the setup wizard here. So here we are, step 4 of 4, and you can decide, are we going to log only? Are we going to block these bots? Are we going to block all bots? And then here, keep the bot catalog up to date. So this is the only outside call. So it's calling home. It's calling a subdomain on royalplugins.com. And all it's doing is updating the user bot list. And this is just so that if you didn't update at the same cadence that we're going to be rolling out updates on this plugin, you'd be able to get, this sets up a cron and fires it every 24 hours to auto update that. So if you wanted to do that, which pretty harmless, but I'll leave that up to you, you can tick that box, say okay, and then it's going to set up a cron and fire off every 24 hours to update the AI bot list. Now, is the AI bot list changing every 24 hours? No, it's probably going to be about every 2 to 4 weeks that we're going to have to be updating the list across the board. But again, so that would just be easier for you if you wanted to do that. But we're doing that to be compliant with WordPress.org as well. So, okay, so now nothing's going on, and we just wait. And you wait a couple hours, and then you're going to start getting results here. And then obviously, as you're using Royal MCP and you're getting connections and doing tasks and actions, all of that is going to be logged here. Now, it's going to be from Royal MCP version 1.4.33. So that's about to release, again, this week of shooting this video, so that's why I'm only on 3.2. But after 3.3 rolls out, then there's going to be deeper compatibility, and we're going to continue to build on that. And then the only other page that you've got is the settings page, and then obviously the setup wizard. And take a look at all that. Not a lot going on here. We've got log retention. You can erase everything on install behavior. So again, it's completely giving you as much of your privacy rights all summed up into settings so that this thing behaves exactly how you want it. And the whole point of this is just to save you time. Cloudflare is such a pain to use. We've gotten endless support tickets and questions and people telling us that they spent hours and hours and hours just trying to figure out where all the AI/bot settings are. They keep changing it. They rename it. Is this in the free plan, the pro plan, the $200 plan? Nobody knows. I myself have spent hours and hours trying to find this stuff and change settings. So while Cloudflare has a ton that it offers, it is an absolute pain to find this stuff, especially for your everyday user. That's the point of this tool. Again, it will be completely free. No games, just like we did with Royal MCP. And that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or go ahead and download and use it today.